that mosque built by the local people next to us. 2 stands for the imperial temple. But we have a we have 6 minarets right. 6 of the history. There is no any meaning for that. Sultan Ahmed, we just want to make it most different from the any other mosque around here. That's why we have 6. But last thing, this
First of all, I hope you are enjoying, you are having a great day.
We are.
Alright then, can you tell us about your day, how it's going?
We had phenomenal time. We've been very educated on everything when it comes to our tour. Our guide has been exceptional. So he's worth every penny.
That's me.
He's worth every penny. So we've really appreciated it and learned a lot.
Alright then, do you think that the history of the city is...
It's fascinating. Yes, and that's what I'm saying. It's coming here not knowing and leaving here very educated.
Alright, you haven't seen the Grand Bazaar yet?
No,
Are you excited about it?
we are.
Alright then. And you have seen the Hagia Sophia and the Topkapi Palace?
Yes, we have.
So this is our walking day tour.
Yeah.
But after the walking tour, you have the second part of the tour.
And we're looking forward to that also.
Alright then, Bosphorus cruise.